There's a guy right there. If they're still running.
I verify your watch.
It's gotta be him, right?
That's something in his hand.
He does, you see it? Yeah. Okay, don't get too close. Make it straight, come on, make it straight, come on.
He has a gun. He has a gun.
Okay, watch out. You remember?
He has a gun.
Hey, hey, stop! Get on the floor!
Jackie's hand, pointing a gun.
Go forward, go forward.
Suspect was left seen on.
Put your gun down!
Additional
He's pointing.
I know he's pointing.
Roger. You're gonna get a 1934 your exact location. There's 16, we're gonna be overhead. I got that suspect wearing a green shirt, black pants, walking southbound on the west sidewalk of Arleta, going towards the shelter. Sorry.
Drop the gun!
There's 16, we're going to be overhead. I got that suspect wearing a green shirt, black pants, walking southbound on the west sidewalk of Arleta towards the shelter.
X41, we're going to have shots.
Hold right here. Hold. Hey, I'm going.
Article on the right.
Okay, I'm going up on the right. I got it.
Get the weapon.
Where's he shot at? Shot up too high for a tourniquet. Yeah, he shot up on the hip. Yeah.